Hello everyone and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan. Thank you so much for joining us. It's the time of the season, flowers blooming, April showers, spring cleaning. So I know a lot of you are like, why is she so happy? Well, you know, this is the time of the year where there's no more snow, the roads are being cleaned, grass is getting green, tulips are blossoming, and lots of things are happening. So we're going to talk about in-depth spring cleaning. So get out your checklist. So what are the things? Well, first of all, to make spring cleaning a lot easier and quicker, you should be maintaining and cleaning your home every week. So by doing the basic cleaning, so your in-depth spring cleaning checklist can, transfer into a very speed and efficient cleaning process. So all bedrooms, you want to dust the ceiling and especially the ceiling fans. You want to clean your windowsills, get rid of all of the winter strips if you have. You want to test batteries with all of your smoke detectors or carbon testers. You want to disinfect all of your doorknobs, cabinet handles, and also light switches. Disinfect everything. If anything has taught us about COVID, is cleanliness, being hygienically, clean in terms of areas that you touch or you breathe in your living space. Kitchen, you want to clean all of your large appliances. Yes, that means shifting and moving your stove, your oven, your fridge out of their parked spaces and getting behind those parked spaces and getting rid of all the dust and dirt. You want to also clean the cabinets, remove your items from your cabinet, clean and unclutter your pantry. Check for expiration dates in your fridge, in your freezer, and get rid of everything that's expired. And if things are not expired and you don't have the use of it, give it and donate it to the food bank. Very, very, very important, guys. Bedroom, organize your drawers. Get rid of clothes that are no longer fitting you. You've outgrown them or you're not interested in them. And for gently used clothes, donate it. Make use and provide hope and shelter and clothing in someone else's life. Also for your kitchen, make sure the sink and the inner sink guard is clean. Run a dishwasher cleaning tablet through your dishwasher. Do what you got to do to make sure that you clean and maintain your kitchen efficiently. Clean the vent, take out the vent, wipe inside the vent to get rid of all of that oil and oil drips. Bathrooms, dispose of any old medicine or any old toiletries, any makeup that is expired. Yes, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, makeup does expire. So home office, get rid of any clutter, old newspapers, old sensitive documents that have expired. Financial documents are 7 years. All non-financial documents is 5 years. Remove furniture, cushions, and vacuum the crevices in the areas. You want to get into the small little spaces. Shampoo and condition your rugs, especially if you have animals. That will help with allergies and pollens in the air. So that's very, very, very important. And laundry room, clean behind the washer and dryer, clean the vents and so forth, and the lint traps. So it's very, very important to maintain a clean environment. It will also help you with your lungs and your breathing. And also, cleanliness is next to godliness, my friends. If anything, again, as COVID has taught us, is make sure that you keep your personal space very, very clean. Please pick up the phone and call us. We are always here to help you. Take care.